How to remove accounts from Instagram Account Center. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the very first step is to open up your Instagram app, and from here, click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Click on the 3-bar line icon at the top right, and you should get to your settings and activity. From here, let's go to Account Center. Okay, this next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. From here, let's scroll down to the bottom and you should be able to see this accounts option. Tap on that and immediately you can see all the Instagram accounts connected, and you can simply tap on remove in line with the account that you want to remove. Now if you miss this next part, you will have to start over. What we're going to do from here is to tap on remove account, which will have it lose access to all the other connected experiences. Tap on continue and tap on yes, finish removing. It will then say it is now removed, and that is how you can basically remove accounts from Instagram Accounts Center.